What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to go check out a tire warranty on my ZL1. We have a nail sticking out the tire right here.
I absolutely nailed the video.
Don't have the wheel and tire package, but it's not too late for me to act. So as I found out a few videos ago, I can actually get a warranty on the tires that I already own outside of the dealership as well. So I'm going to price it out. Shout out to Terry for giving me that information. She just took delivery of her Camaro and she did the same thing. So I'm about to run over to Discount Tire and see what they say. So that's what we're doing in today's video. So before we hop into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. Before I leave, let me get these tires back to a good setting of air. So when I was at the track, my tires I had to decrease the tire pressure because it was hot outside, and at the track the tires tend to heat up and the PSIs will increase. So the stock PSI for this car is 32, and driving on the track they increased as high as 40. So deflate them to like 28, so they'll increase to about the normal level of 32. So what I use to do that, like the video, I got this portable air compressor that plugs into the cigarette lighter. And you just put whatever PSI you want it on and plug it in, and it's an air pump. So what happens is, once the tires cool down, haven't driven the car, it's been sitting all day, it's literally the first time I drove the car, it tended to settle back down. So now I need to inflate it. So put this down here, make sure this is on, and make sure it's set to 32 PSI. Shows it right there. So I'll drop a link down in the description so you can get your own air compressor. Just made it to Discount Tire. There's a ton of cars in this parking lot. Let me see what they say. I'm curious to know if they'll cover my tires that's already on here, because these are like sporty track tires. I don't see how they make money on this, because it'll probably pay for itself very fast. But let me go in here and see, and most importantly, how long it'll take, because I'm not about to wait here all day. I just got the quote from Discount Tire, and there's good news and bad news. The good news is I'm covered. The bad news is I'm covered for 3 tires. So my driver rear tire, so he was basically saying the tires come at 8/30 seconds. That's what these are stock for the tire tread, and that one is at 6/30 seconds, and I guess another tire is at 7/30 seconds, which that qualifies for, but 6 is too low. And since these are performance tires, they have little tread to deal with, so a little bit worn, so it doesn't qualify. But the good thing is the price on those, it's basically $50 a tire. So, and then should something happen, if I get a nail, a bubble in the tire, or a blowout, I have to pay another $50 deductible to replace that tire. So I'm about to head to the dealership that I got it from. Maybe their rules are different, and we'll see from there. Or maybe I go to a different Discount Tire or another store like Bell Tire, but we'll work it out. So let me check that out, and I'll get back with you all. Back to where the deal was first done. The biggest flags around here at Sarah Chevy in Southfield. Let me see if Nate is up in here. But if not, I'm gonna talk to somebody that can help me. Got my quote from Sarah, so it's more expensive as I thought it would be. But these flags are going crazy up there. It's windy. But the price on it, so I could do 2 options, and they only offer rim and tire packages instead of just tires. So the wheel and tire package for 5 years, 75,000 miles, $1,250. 5 years seems like a commitment for me. The car will be paid off, then I don't know. But then something shorter would be 3 years, and I think it was 36,000. No, 3 years, 45,000 miles. Yep, 3 years, 45,000 miles for $850, and that seems good too. Rim, tire, and towing on that. Roadside hazards for all that crap. I just bring it here, and that'll be that. So I'm going to think on it for a day, consult my experts, Blueprint 1LE, and race car friends, see what they think about that, and I will resume the process. I think I'm leaning towards this because it's the rim and tire. Even though I don't like the rims, I know that if I crack a rim, I would hate to replace one of those. And I know the real Tez, he has a set of rims for sale too, so that could be some kind of insurance. I might hit him up to see how much he's selling his for. As I was out here recording, I had another question, and I think one of my subscribers answered this question for me. And this is why I love my subscribers, man. I put out videos to teach you all, and you guys teach me stuff in the comment section. I appreciate the interactions like that, man. Truly I do. But I was asking about a secondary set of tires. Like if I put snow tires on here, would it cover that too? And the answer was yes. And it seems like a no-brainer to me. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. But that price, I'm gonna see if I can beat them down just a little bit on price. So let me consult to my agents, Blueprint 1LE and race car friends, see what they think. But I'm leaning towards doing that because it's rim, tire, and towing, and the second set of tires. Like that kind of sweetens the deal. I just don't know about the length of time. If I buy 5 years, doesn't seem that bad, but 3 years, $850 versus $1,250 for 5 years, I don't know. I'll sleep on it and come back. It's good not to rush and make decisions, especially when I got time to do it. Like it's no rush. I could do this next month, but I kind of need to hurry up and do it sooner than later because I got 5,400 miles on the car, and I don't know when that threshold cuts off, so maybe I'll find that out for you all tomorrow, but let me head back home. It's the next day, about to head up to Sarah Chevy and purchase this warranty, so I'm going to see if I can knock them down on the price some, because these things are generally negotiable. I need to see a contract too so I can know what I'm getting myself into, just to make sure there's no funny business going on. So I'll catch you all at the dealership. Shout out to Nate for taking care of me once again. I didn't get to see my arch nemesis, the finance guy. He was off today, so I had worked through Nate and somebody else in the back, unknown face, but we are all good. Got this thing. Easy Care is who they go through. And yeah, so yesterday I went to Bell Tire. They don't offer this. You get a warranty with your tires, but not this kind of warranty where you already got tires on the car. So this covers my wheels, tires. I get a towing protection, or they pay for towing. They pay for a rental car as well. So it's a pretty good package. They offer a lot more than what Discount Tire was offering, especially these rims. Like I already don't care for the rims. They're kind of plainish looking. They're not bad wheels. They're just not my cup of tea. But if I had to replace one of those cost a lot. I don't even know how much a ZL1 rim costs. And I would hate to put that much money into a rim that I don't like. So this is the one thing, the one warranty thing from the dealership that is worth it. I said it in the video. My wife has it on hers. I don't know why I didn't buy this in my video, like when I first ordered the car. I don't know, but here we are. So apparently there is no cutoff. Like you can just buy this package, whatever car, however many miles are on it. So that's to my knowledge, that's what I was told. So of course it's prorated. The older the car, the more miles it has on it, the more it's gonna cost. So that's why mine is probably a little bit more than what it would have been. I paid $825 for it, and it was like $600 new, and that's what I paid. I'm okay with that. It wasn't a deal, but I feel like I didn't get bent over. It'll pay for itself if I have to use it. I'm saying that. So is it transferable? I don't know. I doubt it. And can you cancel it? Pretty sure you can. I haven't read the booklet yet, but with these aftermarket warranties like that, you can cancel it, and that's prorated as well. Cancel it at any time. I had a different warranty, and they prorate it per day, so that's what it is. If I don't like it, feel like it's not worth it, you can get some money back. But I don't know if that's for sure. Haven't read the brochure yet. Maybe I should do that and get back to you all. I'll put it in the comment section if that is what it is. But I'm about to go get some lunch. Shout out to Sarah Chevy once again, always taking care of me here. Okay, so I read through the fine print of this little guy right here. So as far as transferring this, you are able to transfer the warranty. You got to write a letter. It's a $50 fee. You can transfer it to the next person should you sell the car. And as far as cancellations go, you can cancel this thing as well. The first 30 days is free. Well, it's not free. It's a $50 cancellation fee, and you get a full refund. And anything after 30 days is prorated at that. You still pay the $50 fee to cancel. And other things that I skipped out on, you get mechanical breakdown coverage, so they'll pay up to a certain amount for a hotel. If you're traveling, you have to be outside of 30 miles of where your address is for home. And you also get the towing, like I said, like that tire, wheel, which includes the rim and all that good stuff. So I missed out on that earlier. Now back to Q wearing a long sleeve shirt in the summer times when it's 85 degrees in the future right now. I'm going to leave you all with that. The wheel and tire package is, I changed my mind, it's definitely worth it. Like, I was questionable about it before, but it's definitely worth it. My wife used hers. We always use these things, and I should have got it when I bought the car, but took care of it now, and we are all good. So with that, I'm Q. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.